Hey. Oh. Oh, look at that bubble. Oh, look at that. Ew. Look at that nastiness. I'm sorry. No, I'm not talking about. I'm not talking about the face. I'm talking about the little bit of curds that came out.
Make her smile.
Yeah. Is that comfortable? Huh? He doesn't want to smile for me right now, and you're recording him getting mad. Okay, I got something for you. Let's attack mommy. Look at the camera.
Liam. Hey, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, goodness. What are you doing?
Why are you looking at me like that, huh? Why are you looking at me like that?
He getting tired.